inflection point. The past decade has seen India make great economic, social, and scientific strides. India has become the most populous country in the world, and I believe this holds significant implications and opportunities for the nation and its future. The population growth comes with a unique demographic dividend, given the country's population pyramid has a sizable cohort in the working age group. Well, I see an ever larger population with 65% under the age of 35 as an opportunity for the country's growth and development. The large, dynamic, and young population with 65 under the age of 35 can be a valuable asset if harnessed effectively. And as I say, a young, dynamic population, if it is harnessed correctly, it is a powerful economic asset. Well, we know that these young people look at work differently. They are turning their backs on traditional work patterns, industries, expectations, as they look to create a path that enables them to balance their work and their personal life, to do something that makes positive difference to the world, and most importantly, to follow their passion. I mean, it is no wonder that we are seeing so many entrepreneurs, and you see any field, there are a lot of small startups which are coming up. By fostering a thriving entrepreneurial ecosystem, India can create employment opportunities for its rapidly growing workforce, and so drive increased productivity across the country. Now, leveraging on the demographic dividend calls for forward-looking policies which build a conducive ecosystem for education and skills, healthcare, gender sensitivity, and providing the right choices to the younger generation. Well, I must commend the government. The government has taken steps to promote job creation and economic growth, such as establishing the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, which provides funding and skill development opportunities for individuals and enterprises. Well, I'm here to talk about entrepreneurship, and I would say that entrepreneurship has played a vital role in shaping India's economy, and it is poised to play an even more significant role in the future. Well, a case in point is the successful growth of the startups in India. Small businesses, as highlighted by the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, whom we call as MSME, already generate employment for over 100 million people in India. And I firmly believe that entrepreneurship will be key to absorbing the increasing number of young individuals entering the workforce and deliver on the vision of a self-reliant nation. And as our Honorable Prime Minister says, an Atma-Nirbhar Bharat. Well, India needs to create 10 million jobs, 10 million jobs per annum to absorb young people into the workforce.